Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the temperate grasslands. The lesson which we are doing, the lesson is Asia Climate, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Today we will be discussing page number 81 and 82, temperate grasslands and temperate desert. The objective of the lesson is climate of Asia, factors affecting the climate of Asia, rainfall, Asia climatic types. Children, we have already discussed factors affecting the climate of a place, rainfall, equatorial climate of Asia and monsoon type of climate. Now today we will discuss temperate grasslands and temperate desert. Before starting, let's discuss some cross questions. Which are the different climatic types found in Asia? Where is equatorial type of climate found in Asia? Name some countries of equatorial climate. What type of climate does equatorial type of climate has? What is the special feature of equatorial climate? What is the most important vegetation of the equatorial climate? Name some important trees found in the equatorial climate. What is the wildlife of equatorial climate? Where does the monsoon climate found in Asia? Name the countries where the monsoon climate is found. What type of trees are found in the monsoon climate? Name some trees found in monsoon climate. Children, try to find out the answer of these questions. This is going to help you for revising the lesson which you have done so far. Now today we are going to discuss about the temperate grasslands. Temperate means the region which is lying from 30 degree to 45 degrees, and so we are going to discuss that what type of grasslands are these. These are the short grasses which are found on the different places in the world, and they have been given different names. Like we are going to do Asia. In Asia, these grasslands are known as steppes. As you can see, it is written on your map. It is known as steppes over here. So we are going to discuss about steppes today. So you can see this is a picture of grasslands which is found over here in Asia. They are the short grasses and their growth is not very big. Let's see what are the points we have to discuss today. Today we will discuss temperate grassland, type of climate, temperate desert type of climate, temperate grassland type of climate. Temperate grassland is found between 30 to 45 degrees latitude. The climate is warm summers, cold winters and scanty rainfall. The area is influenced by the westerlies. Westerlies are the winds which blow from west to east in the temperate region. The temperate grassland is found here known as steppes. The countries are Ukraine in Europe to southwest Siberia in the east. Few animals are found over here. These are the main points on what we are going to discuss about temperate grassland type of climate. Now see the map. It's given on Asia. Where are the temperate grasslands found? Temperate grasslands are found in Ukraine, Kazakhstan, parts of Western Russia and parts of Eastern Russia, mainly Mongolia. So these are the regions in Asia where the temperate grassland is found. Now let's read temperate grassland type of climate. Warm summers and cold winters cause a wide range of temperature. Rainfall is scanty and mostly occurs in the early summer seasons. The areas that experience this type of climate are under the influence of westerlies that became dry by the time they reach continent's interior part. This results in little rainfall. Means the winds which are blowing over here, they are the westerly winds. They are coming from west towards this side, and by the time they are reaching into the interior parts of the continents, they are dry and hence they don't cause any rainfall in this part, and that is why the rainfall is very scanty in this region. The annual rainfall varies from 25 centimeters to 75 centimeters. In winters, cold winds blow in from the north. As the part is very near to Russia, very near to the poles, so the cold winds which are blowing from the polar areas, they influence this part, and so the winters are quite cold over here. Now if you see the map, this map is showing where are the temperate grasslands found in Russia. The main countries are Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, and Mongolia. These are the parts in Asia where temperate grassland is found. The temperate grasslands in Eurasia are also known as steppes. The grasses which grow over here, they are known as steppes. These grasslands extend from Ukrainian Europe to southwest Siberia and eastern Mongolia. Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and Turkmenistan fall under this type of climate. Already I have shown you where is Kazakhstan, where is Turkmenistan, where is Uzbekistan, where is Mongolia, and where is the northeastern part of Russia. These are the parts where the temperate grasslands are found, and these grasslands are known as steppes over here. Now we will discuss about the natural vegetation. The natural vegetation over here is small grasses, short grasses. This region is mainly treeless. There are no trees because the rainfall is scanty. And the treeless grasses which grow over here are known as steppes. Let's read. Natural vegetation. Short grasses are found here. The regions are treeless due to scanty rainfall that do not support the growth of trees. These treeless grasslands are called steppes. Wildlife. Few animals are found here like antelopes, mules, wolves are found in this region. Now you can see this is a picture of antelope which is found over here in the temperate grasslands. Both these pictures are of antelopes. Then we get these all are the animals which are found over here in the temperate grasslands. These are the some flowers which grow during the time of rainy season or sometimes in the winters when it gets little rain, and they have got different names like pampas grass, coneflower, blazing star, rock rose. These all are the different small flowering plants which grow over there in the grasslands. Now children, we are going to discuss about the temperate deserts. Temperate deserts are found in the temperate regions, and these are known as the cold deserts of the world. There are two types of deserts found. One is hot desert, which is found in the tropical regions. They are known as the hot deserts. And the deserts which are found in the temperate region, they are known as the temperate region, hot deserts. Now, the temperate desert is found over here in Asia, specifically in Mongolia. The desert which is found over here, that is in Mongolia, and this desert is known as the Gobi Desert. Now let's read about it. Temperate desert type of climate. These areas experience hot summers and cold winters. Normally the temperature in winters falls below the freezing point because they are on high altitudes as well as on high latitudes. Extreme climate is experienced in these regions. The regions under this type of climate are rain shadow areas. Rain shadow area I have already discussed you in the previous part, that the areas which are descending down, which are back of the mountains, they are known as the rain shadow area. So these regions are under the rain shadow areas. Thus these areas receive little rainfall. They don't receive more rainfall. And the precipitation occurs mostly in the winters in the form of snow because they are on high altitude. Now, when we are talking about the temperate desert in Asia, specifically Mongolia is the country where the temperate desert is found. Now, let's read about the regions. This type of climate is found mainly in the plateau of Mongolia, especially in the Gobi Desert. The Gobi Desert is also known as Shamo, which means sand desert. Natural vegetation. The region having temperate desert type vegetation are barren and windswept, means because they are barren and there are no trees to stop the winds, so the winds blow at very high speed. Due to the harsh climatic conditions, because in the summers there is no rain and in the winters the precipitation is in the form of snow, so the climatic conditions are very harsh in the temperate desert regions. The vegetation is sparse. It is mostly consists of scattered tufts of coarse grasses and shrubs. No trees are found, only shrubs and tufts are found. Wildlife, mostly lizards, small insects and rodents are found over here. Now you can see this is a picture of plants which are found in the temperate region. All plants in the temperate deserts must be adapted to dry conditions because the summers are dry. Common adaptations: reduction of leaves. They have thick, waxy, cuticle, dense coating of hairs and extensive underground root system. Mostly the cactus is found over here. Both these are the pictures of two types of cactus which are found over here. And the special animal which is found in this region is the Mongolian bear, which is coming to an extinct. This animal is getting extincted over here, but this is the bear which is found specially in Mongolia. This is this animal. And other rodents are like rats and rat families, bats. These all are the different kinds of rats which are found in the temperate type of climate. And the most important part is the lizard, which is found over here. These lizards are very common in the Mongolian deserts. Squirrels are also there. They move around on the trees and they are the most loveliest animal found over here. So with this, we are coming to an end of the temperate desert type of climate. We will meet you soon with the other type of climates which are found in Asia. Thank you very much.